Creating a program in script mode. To create a program in script mode, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click File, New File in idle shell. Step 2. In the new window that opens, type the commands we want to save in the form of program or script. Step 3. Now type the following code into the shell window. Print Hello Friends. Print Python is a high-level language. Step 4. To save our program, click on File tab, then select Save option. The Save As dialog box appears in which we select the folder to save the file. Type the file name in File Name text box. The Python program has .py extension automatically. Running a Python program. To run or execute the program, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click Run tab. Select Run Module option from the drop-down menu. Step 2. It will execute all the commands stored in program that we had opened and show us the complete output in a Python shell window. Python variables. Variables are nothing but reserved memory locations to store values. This means that when we create a variable, we can reserve some space in memory. In Python, we don't need to declare variables before using it, unlike other languages like Java, C, etc. Assigning values to a variable. Python variables do not need explicit declaration to reserve memory space. The declaration happens automatically when we assign a value to a variable. The equal sign is used to assign values to variables. Consider the below example. Syntax: A equal to 50. Print A. This will assign value 50 to the variable A and will print it. Try it yourself. Variables can work in both interactive mode and script mode. The following program uses variables to display a message. Python keywords. Keywords are nothing but special names that are already present in Python. We can use these keywords for specific functionality while writing a Python program. Following is the list of all the keywords that we have in Python: false, break, finally, lambda, while, async, await, except, is, try, assert, elif, else, in, return, as, del, if, import, raise, and, def, global, or, pass, true, continue, from, not, yield, none, class, for, non-local, with. Python comments. Comments are the lines in the code that are ignored by the interpreter during the execution of the program. Comments enhance the readability of the code and help the programmers to understand the code very carefully. There are two types of comments in Python: single-line comment, multi-line comment. Single-line comment. Python single-line comment starts with the hashtag symbol with no white spaces and lasts till the end of the line. Syntax: hashtag this is a comment. Multi-line comment. We can use multiple hashtags to write multi-line comments in Python. Each and every line will be considered as a single line comment. Syntax: hashtag this is a comment. Hashtag this is a comment. Data types in Python. Python supports various data types. These data types defines the operations possible on the variables and the storage method. Below is the list of standard data types available in Python. Text type: str. Numeric types: int, float, complex. Sequence types: list, tuple, range. Mapping type: dict, dict. Set types: set, frozen set. Boolean type: bool. Binary types: bytes, byte array, memory view. None type, none type.